Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best armless chair that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, OMS Collection Armless Leather Desk Chair. If luxury is something that you're into, we would recommend the OMS Armless Desk Chair. The armless desk-style leather chair comes with a soft-to-touch leather that has tailored stitching. It's something not so common in the world of armless chairs, hence this makes it luxurious. Plus, the comfort of this chair is quite good as well. It's quite a promising chair for its price. The ease of adjustability and ease of thread leather is something to be praised. Lastly, the 250 pounds weight capacity makes it ideal for both home and office use. Good for children and young adults. At number 4. BTExpert Swivel Mid-Back Armless Ribbed Designer Task Chair. Okay, so this is one of those modern-looking stylish chairs you see in modern offices in movies. Well, not just movies, as most of the offices prefer these styles of chairs for their employees. The noticeable thing about this chair is its BIFM pneumatic gas mechanism adjustable fit. This allows you to adjust to your desired heights and gives that swishing sound when you adjust it. It just adds an extra feel of modernity to owning the chair. The contoured cushions, along with the PU leather, give it an overall aesthetic look. We highly recommended it for modern designed homes. At number 3. KOLLIEE Armless Office Chair. Suppose you're looking for a classic armless chair. The chair you see in your head when you think armless chair. Then this is the one we would recommend you go for. With a classic design, the chair comes with a high-density mesh along with SGS-certified gas cylinder that makes adjustability more fun. Also, the 360-degree swivel casters are quite noticeable for these chairs. The overall mesh design and simplicity make this chair the perfect fit for offices, but offices need quietness. That's where the 360-degree swivel casters come in. They ensure no sound is made during movement. With over 250 pounds weight support, the chair features good lumbar support that makes it fit for long working hours without worrying about your lower back. At number 2. Armen Living Diamond Office Chair. This is one of those chairs we're highly appreciative of their luxurious looks. As the name implies, it's a diamond when compared for luxury against other armless chairs. It comes with a button-tufted black faux leather along with a chrome and walnut finish. This just adds more to its luxurious looks. And then there's the diamond design. All of its components just complement each other for sophistication. If you happen to be a boss looking for a chair, then look no further. The thick semi-firm cushion gives it overall excellent padding. The kind of comfort bosses needs, not so much to doze off, not so little to have back pain, just the right amount. Finally at number 1. Furniture Mid-Back Black Quilted Armless Chair. Another one of those chairs is commonly seen in a boss's office. The chair comes both with and without an arm. We prefer the armless one since it gives more freedom of movement. The main thing it features is a waterfall front seat. This helps avoid pins and needles sensation down your lower legs during long sitting hours. Plus, the mid-black color it features goes good with various themes, unlike white or something else that needs matching. This contemporary computer chair will highlight a dull or attractive workspace with its quilted, tufted upholstery. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.